This week, I'll be walking you through the date function on Excel. Excel can give you the current dates based on your computer's regional settings. According to your preference, you can decide to add date or you subtract date. Now, to access today's dates, we are going to make use of the today function, right? Which you access by using equals to, then you just input today. I'm going to press my tab key, then close it and press enter. Can you see? According to my computer's regional setting, today's date is the 8th of April 2024. Now, my birthday happens to be on the 10th of April. So I'm just going to input that in. Then, as you can see, I have 2 days left until my birthday. Happy birthday to me in advance. Now, the only way I got this was by subtracting my birthday from today's date. As you can see, cell D7 minus D6, just to get the days, or just to get a countdown to my birthday date. Now, you know what's so unique about using the today's date? It is it is a very live function, and tomorrow's date would be tomorrow's date would be 9th of April 2024, and by tomorrow this date will change. So you can say this date is a very live function or a volatile function on Excel. It changes as the day goes by, and my countdown too would remain a day until my birthday. So that's how the date function works. Now, if for example you have to bill your customer on the, or let's say you're supposed to bill your customer today, right? Let's say the customer was not able to make payment and you want to give your customer 7 days extra. You can just press 7, and the bill due or the grace period will increase, and this has increased to 15th of April 2024. So if you like this video, make sure you please comment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.